how you can get this result with your astrophotography. Let's talk about what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a camera that can do long exposures, a tripod, and a headlamp. And of course, a location and all that stuff. But let's talk headlamp, because that's really what's gonna make this photo stand out. Now, if you own one of these $20 little Energizer headlamps from Walmart or wherever you buy it, it's not gonna do. You can go ahead and just get rid of this thing right now. It's done. You are gonna have to drop some money to get some extra lumens. I went and bought this Petzl. This bad boy is 900 lumens. It's rechargeable, and it's lasted me 2 or 3 days. Now let's talk about camera settings. You're gonna want a wide lens. This is a 28mm lens. It's not really the widest lens, but it gets the job done. If you can get a 16 to 35mm, you're really working with a good lens. Once you have your camera set up, the 3 most basic things that we're going to adjust is your shutter speed, aperture, and your ISO. So for ISO, I always start off putting it at 100. Your aperture, we're gonna drop it down to as wide as possible. I have a long lens on here, so right now it's 5. Shutter speed, we're gonna drop this bad boy. Now I personally shoot between 5 and 15 seconds. Anything over 15 seconds, you're gonna get star trails, which look like this. And if you still need more light, then I will bump up the ISO. 400, then 800, and then normally I never go above 1600. Bonus tips, make sure you're in manual mode, and I usually use one-shot focus, focusing on the furthest star. Now get out there, go shoot, get these photos, and if you found this stuff useful, well, follow along if you like outdoor travel, landscape, all that stuff. That's all I got, I'm out.